English singer Calum, who gained fame with his rendition of Dancing on My Own on Britain's Got Talent in 2015, performed in Larute, Maukasyang yesterday evening. He performed most of his songs and the crowd also sang with him as he set the stage on fire. Speaking to the media ahead of his performance, he mentioned choosing Shillong as his next destination after performing with Ed Sheeran in Mumbai due to its vibrant musical culture.
Performing in India has been beyond words. I'd never been to India before. Performing in Mumbai as a support for Ed Sheeran was just mind-blowing. The fans were they just wanted to be involved, whether that means screaming or clapping or cheering or singing along. And I have sincerely enjoyed my time here in India. Hopefully it's not my last.
Let's have a look at the weather report.